Inspiration. It can strike anytime, anywhere. But how do you get to that breakthrough moment sooner? How do you bring your team's collaboration into the 21st century? Introducing Kapp, a new kind of dry erase board that captures, saves, and shares your ideas digitally. Just plug it in and you're ready to connect. iOS users can download the app from the App Store and use the QR code to connect. Android users can download the app from Google Play and pair their device by simply tapping it against the board. As soon as your device is connected, you'll see the contents of the board updated live within the Kapp mobile app. Kapp behaves like any traditional dry erase board, with a real dry erase pen and eraser. Only with Kapp, you can share your work with colleagues in the boardroom or across the globe. To connect your team members, just click the Share icon, and Kapp generates a URL that you can email to anyone. All they need to do is click the link, and they'll immediately be connected to the session. With Kapp, you'll never have to worry about taking blurry photos of your work to share with the team. You can capture snapshots of your content at any time by touching the camera icon on the board itself, or by hitting the icon in the app. You can also save content to a USB drive. Simply plug it in, tap the icon, and your snapshots will automatically be saved as PDFs. Remote users can access all snapshots from the session, even if they join midway through. This way, everyone can track the progression of an idea and look for insights in earlier versions of the work. You can also click the Save icon in the app to upload content directly to your favorite cloud service. This means you can take your work anywhere you go, revisit past projects, and email your notes to team members who couldn't make the meeting. With Kapp, all content is stored on your device, meaning your work lives on even after the board is erased. Whatever your challenge, wherever your team, Kapp helps you collaborate better. And that means better work, more efficient brainstorming, and faster breakthroughs. Capture, save, share with Kapp, the dry erase board reinvented.